you for watching my channel, and this is gonna be a video on another. I was gonna do a plant unboxing, but I actually already unboxed the plant. It arrived like around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I forgot, and it was scorching hot. It was really hot, and I wasn't home, and I believe the mailman just left the box right there in the full heat of the afternoon. So I got home and I unboxed took out the plant, and that's why I'm not gonna do an unboxing for this plant, but it is another plant, the carnivorous plant from petflytrap.com. I mentioned on that previous video that I was gonna do another unboxing, so this is it. Not really an unboxing like I said, but I will show you guys the plant. I mentioned that it was gonna be larger than my previous little small size plant. So this plant that I'm gonna show you guys is it's a large hanging basket. It comes in a 6-inch pot hanging basket, and I'll show you guys the plant right now. So this is my Nepenthes. Here you go. This is the Nepenthes Jacquelinia, and it is a mixture with another plant. And I actually threw the box where it showed me because it's a cultivar. So it's 2 plants to make this one. So I believe I know it's the Jacquelinia, or I'm not sure if I'm butchering that name, but it's Jacquelinia or something like that. I'll put it on the camera, maybe in here or in here. And then the other one, I believe it was some Wednesdays. I'm not sure, to be honest. But this picture is a little bit dead, as you can tell right here. But this one right here, it's super nice, and you can actually tell the flaring lips are thick and round. I'm gonna see if I could get a little closer here just to show you guys. There you go. So see the lips on this gets it from the Jacquelinia. I think it's a really nice plant. The pictures alone make this plant worth it. So let me show you guys also here now that we're up close. The plants they sell comes in a sphagnum moss. I believe this is long fiber sphagnum moss. It's very nicely damp. There's a little baby picture forming right here on the side, which I think it's really cool. And it also has a little baby picture forming right in here, right there. I think this plant is to die for. There's another picture forming on this side. It's just wiggling around. Let me hang. There you go. See? Let me go ahead and get a little backwards now. There you go. Anyways, so this plant, I need to fix this now. So this one is described on the website as a large hanging basket. They do have specifications on the sizes that they offer. They have small, medium, and large, and then they also have medium and large hanging baskets, and they also have extra large and jumbo hanging baskets. So this one is classified as a large hanging basket. For the Nepenthes, they do have different types of carnivorous plants, not just Nepenthes. They also have like Venus flytraps and other kinds of carnivorous plants. I know there's a few others, like the octopus, or the worm one, the one that rolls over, and that's how it kills the insects, something like that. I'm not really fond of Venus flytraps or any other carnivorous plants. My favorite carnivorous plant is the pitcher plant, and I've had a few plants from this type in the past, and they've had not been, I don't really take good care of them. But I've been doing a lot of research into how to care for these plants and how to make them grow, and this is my try on making these plants grow. I'm gonna leave a little link here on the top so that you guys can go ahead and see my unboxing for my first plant from this seller. It was a small size plant, and it was the Lowii ventricosa. But anyways, yes, if you're looking to buy a Nepenthes plant, a carnivorous plant, go ahead and try the petflytrap.com, because they have really good selection and they have a lot of species. Other websites tend to be a little bit expensive, and they offer very small sizes for a high price. This seller offers quite nice sizes, and they also include pictures to see the plant that you're gonna get from the get-go. So I think that's really nice. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna just show you guys this Nepenthes picture again. I'm gonna do an extreme close-up so you guys can see this plant. This picture here, it's crazy. I'm obsessed with this. You guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to water your plants, and don't forget to drink water yourself, especially now that it's really, really hot. Especially here in California, if you live in California, drink a lot of water, stay hydrated, and don't be too thirsty. Bye.